Okay, so here's the workflow on how to create an entire AI fashion campaign from a single product photo. The first thing you'll do is head to Caimera.ai. There is a credit card free trial available, so feel free to give it a go. And what this tool does is it allows us to put real clothes on AI models. Once you're logged in, press on Create with Fluid. And here you press on Add New Product. Now drag and drop your product photo. Make sure it's high quality. It can be shot with an iPhone, but make sure that it's high quality, not blurry, and that it shows as many details as possible. And of course, if you can add more images, that's better. Now fill in the details. This is a sweater, but you can add anything you want. Add your product name and the brand. Press on Add Product. Now you can either choose editorial or catalog pictures. I would always suggest to start with editorial, just so the AI to get a bit creative. Choose your aspect ratio and press on Generate Ideas. So it's going to give you some creative ideas. You can either pick one of them if you like it, or you can also add your own prompt. In this case, I literally added a very basic prompt, an advert of a sweater brand. A man is wearing baggy pants, a black sweater and with a zip, green landscape in Iceland, editorial fashion photo shoot. I'm going to press on Refresh Ideas. And here are the newly generated creative directions. I'm going to pick this one and proceed to shoot in editor. Now what this tool will do is create the photo shoot for you. Multiple angles, multiple poses, different locations. And as you can see, it did not create the image with the exact product. It added a placeholder product. Once you find the image that you like the most, you would go ahead and select it and then press on Try On. This is where you will add your own product to the image and replace this placeholder product. The tool will automatically detect where you want to place your product, but if you want to add some details or it made some mistakes, you can manually draw in of where you want the product to be placed. Press Shoot Try On, and there you go. It now replaced the placeholder product with the correct fashion item and the exact details. Very important when you're happy with the image to upscale that image so that all the little details will be perfect. Now, if you're happy with the results, you can stop here, you can move on, download those images and post them. However, I do think there is another tool that can be added to the workflow to make this campaign even better. And the tool is Midjourney, of course. Midjourney is incredible when it comes to realism, as well as its creative direction, its artistic style. But it struggles with product resemblance. As you can see, I added this product in the prompt and it created this. This is not the same product. So what I do is I go on Midjourney to create the images, the models, the campaign, the creative direction, and then I upload them to Caimera and do all the try-on process that we did before on here. And so as you can see, it will create the exact product from the AI image that I created on Midjourney to Caimera with all the right details. Now, if you're interested on how to create these images on Midjourney with the right prompt and make them as realistic as possible, let me know. I'm more than happy to share a tutorial on that as well. And of course, if you don't want to do it, if this is too complex and too time consuming and you're a brand owner and wants to delegate that process, feel free to reach out. It's something that I do for brands and would love to help you if you need.